In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to associate company with contact manual association. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link a company to an existing contact so your records stay organized, your reporting is cleaner, and your team has the full context they need in one place. Let's start on the contact side of your CRM. From the main navigation, go to CRM, then choose Contacts. This brings you to your contact list, where you can search or browse for the person you want to update. When you see the correct contact, click their name to open the full contact record. Opening the record gives you a detailed view with panels for their timeline, properties, and related records. On the right-hand side of this contact record, look for the section labeled Companies. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a sidebar card or a panel that you can expand. If you have a long page, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. This is where all the company associations for this contact will live, and it's the spot where you'll create the link. In that Companies section, click the option that says Plus Add or Add Company. Both lead to the same action, starting the association. A small window or picker will appear, allowing you to choose the right company to connect. This is designed to prevent duplicate entries and to make sure you tie the contact to the exact organization you intend. Begin by searching for an existing company. Type a few letters of the company name to narrow the results and take a moment to verify you're selecting the correct record. Details like the domain or location can help confirm you've got the right one. Selecting the existing company will associate it immediately with the contact, and you'll see it appear in the Companies section of the sidebar. If the company you need doesn't exist yet, choose the option to create new company. Enter the company name, then confirm. The CRM will create that company record and link it to your contact in one step, saving you from having to set it up separately. Once it's linked, you'll see the new company listed right away in the Companies section, which serves as your instant confirmation that the association is complete. That's it. You navigated to CRM Contacts, opened the contact record, found the Companies section, clicked Add, and either searched for an existing company or created a new one to link instantly. Simple, clear, and reliable. Your contact now has the right company context attached.